Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google so your preferences and history help tailor AI suggestions. Once done, open Google, Com or the Google app and enable any available AI or Labs features. Now define your intent clearly. Do you want a summary, a creative prompt, or comparison of sources? Because that choice guides how you phrase queries and which AI tools inside search you'll use. Now craft queries so Google's AI understands the how and why. Start with action verbs like summarize, compare, or list. Make sure to add context, dates, desired format, length, and tone. For example, ask for a 3-point summary in bullet form. Once you get a result, iterate with follow-ups such as expand, cite sources, or simplify for a beginner. This back and forth refines accuracy and ensures outputs match your needs. Finish by verifying AI outputs against the original pages and by checking dates and multiple sources, because AI summaries can omit nuance. Then copy or export the cleaned response and edit for your voice or compliance requirements. If results are off, try refining the query with stricter constraints, add example output, or temporarily disable AI suggestions to revert to classic search. These troubleshooting steps quickly restore control and improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.